Hello class 3, welcome to your computer class. Today I am going to start my first chapter, that is your computer system. Basically this is your first assignment. Now in this one we have to start our first topic, that is your computer system meaning. Now it is an electronic device which is almost used in every sphere of life. Computer can be used in many fields like hospitals, bank, school, defense, research, and etc. Now next topic is your hardware. It is the devices which we can see and touch or feel, that is called your hardware. Example: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and many more. Now I will show you some example of. Now this is your keyboard, this is your mouse. Like this keyboard I can see, I can touch. That is why it is called a hardware. Now your next topic is software. Software refers to the instruction or programs which tell the hardware what to do. It is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manage the overall operation and performance of a computer system. The next topic is main parts of computer. Basically we have the four main parts of computer. Number one, monitor. Number two, CPU, that is called a central processing unit. Number three, keyboard, and number four, mouse. Now come to the first one, monitor. So it does look like a TV screen. It is used to display the work that we do on computer. A monitor is also known as visual display unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called a soft copy. So there are three different types. Number one, CRT, that is called a cathode ray tube monitor. Number two, LCD, that is called a liquid crystal display monitor. And number three, LED, that is called a light emitting diode. Now in this CRT is used vacuum tube and is main parts of computer. Basically we have four main part of computer. Number one, monitor. Number two, CPU, that is called a central processing unit. Number three, keyboard, and number four, mouse. Now the first one, monitor. Do you know about the monitor? I hope you know about it. So monitor is look like a TV. It is also called a output device, which is used to see the instruction or command that you given to your computer. Now monitor can be divided into three parts. Number one, CRT, that is called a cathode ray tube. Number two, LCD, that is called a liquid crystal display monitor. And number three, LED, that is called a light emitting diode. Now in the CRT is basically use vacuum tube. It is in bigger size and it consume more power. LCD, it is a flat type of surface and it consume less power, but LED consume 40% less power as compared to LCD. Now your next topic is CPU, that is called central processing unit. Now in the CPU is divided into three main parts. MU, that is your memory unit. CU, that is your control unit. And ALU, that is your arithmetic and logical unit. Now in the MU basically used, that is your memory unit, is basically used to store data or instruction and pass the data and information to control unit and arithmetic logical unit. Now next is your CU, control unit. Have you seen control? Control means to control someone. So it looked like a traffic police which control and manage the all part of a computer. Now next topic is your arithmetic logical unit. Basically it performs all calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. Now your next topic is keyboard. It is used to type data and instruction into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys. Basically keyboard is also known as input device because we can use keyboard to give data and instruction to our computer. Now it can be divided into many groups like your number key, function key, navigation key, control key and typing key. Now I will show you. This all is your number key like 0 to 9. That all is your number key. Now function key. Next, now 0 to 9 is your number key. Now next is your function key. This is your function key from F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. So from F1 to F12 is your function key. Now next is your navigation. See this upper, left, right and down. Up, down, left, right. This is your navigation key. Now next is your control key. Shift, control, enter. This all is your control key. Now next is your typing keys. This all keys like your alphabet, QWERT, like your punctuation, like dollar sign, like comma, semicolon. This all is your typing key. And the next topic is mouse. So a mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. Nowadays the scroll mouse is more in use that has scroll wheel in the center of the two buttons. Now see, this is your mouse. So mouse can be divided into two parts. So this is your right button and this is your left button, and the center part is called a scroll wheel. Now I will show you the mouse. See, this is your mouse. This is your two button. See that? So this is your right button, this is your left button, and this wheel, that is called a scroll wheel. So for today class we have to complete the topic. So next class I will continue from tomorrow.